Good morning. In this PowerPoint presentation, we are going to learn how to grow a garden. First of all, we need to ask, what is gardening? Gardening is the practice of growing and cultivating plants. Some people like to plant colorful flowers to dress up their yard or improve the landscape around their home. Some like to grow fruits and vegetables to produce their own food. Others have gardens in their homes in the form of houseplants or an herb garden. Gardening is a fun and healthy activity for children. It teaches them responsibility and how to care for living things. Gardening can even be a family activity. Children can help pick out the seeds or seedlings. Children can also dig holes to plant seeds and seedlings and help water and weed the garden. Some things you need to have to get started are a place you want to plant in your yard, seeds or seedlings, or both if using both, a good potting soil mix, and gardening tools such as a trowel, a shovel, a rake, a hoe, watering can, or water hose. You also may want to have gardening gloves if you don't want to get your hands dirty. Getting started on your garden, you'll need to have your supplies near you before you start. First of all, you want to make sure the spot that you're planting your garden in your yard is a good one. It needs to have access to sunlight and water. You'll want to have your tools next to you and ready to go, such as the shovel for digging holes to plant the seeds or seedlings, and the rake or hoe for moving the dirt around and getting rid of weeds. You'll also want your seeds near you, or seedlings, so you can plant them directly in the ground after you dig your hole. You'll also want to have the potting soil mix mixed in with your dirt before you plant your seeds in the ground. The potting soil is used to provide enough air for growing roots, to hold in moisture for growing roots, and to provide anchorage so your plants don't blow away in the wind. You also want to have enough water to thoroughly saturate the ground after you're done planting your seeds or seedlings. Waiting is the hardest part, especially for young children. It takes time for a garden to grow, so here are some things you can do while you wait. You can draw a picture of what you want your garden to look like or what you think it will look like. You can make a prediction on which plant you think is going to grow first, or how many plants are going to grow from one seed. How many tomatoes are going to grow on one vine if you plant tomatoes, or how many watermelons are going to grow on one vine if you plant watermelons. You can also make a graph. You can draw a picture of what your garden looks like on day 1, and then again on day 4, and then on day 8, and so on, until your garden is fully grown. Then you'll know how many days it takes for that plant to grow. The last part, I know it's going to sound silly, but you should talk to your plants. Some people believe that talking to the plants helps them grow and makes them grow bigger. So, with what we've learned here today, I hope that you go out, pick a good spot in your yard, gather all the materials that you need, and your seeds or seedlings or both if using, and plant your garden today. Thank you.